Okay, I bought this. A SD card. $49 for JB Hifi. And now, the moment of the DJI Osmo Pocket combo. Love it. Love it. Love it. So it comes with all of those things. And see in there. This is the, what is the stickers? This is the quick guide. And so look, Osmo Pocket created combo, which is this one. There we go. DJI. So look at this. Protective cover. That's the protective cover. Wide angle lens here and black promise. Alrighty. And then you have this one here. Open it. So it's got this. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Hey, look at that. Looks good. Over here like that. And then you have this. Ooh. And then you have this one. It's a cord. Okay, well, this is the mic. Ooh, okay. This is the mic. Okay. And this is, ooh, it's for the lens. Keep all of those. This one is for the leg protective cover. Cool. Cool. And then finally you have this. Ooh, nice. Ooh, look at that. So, love it. So I am currently recording on the DJI Pocket 3, and I really enjoy using this camera. It is one of the best ones out there according to my beginner level opinion. I really like it. When I started using it, it's very user friendly, and it's pretty easy. When you start it, you just go straight forward and you start using it. And I went on YouTube and looked at some things that I needed to get. I actually like it. So get yourself a beginner level camera. If you're looking for one, check out DJI Pocket 3. It's fantastic and I really like it. Anyway, hope you get yourself one for Christmas. Happy Merry Christmas festive season 2024, and I wish you all the very best for 2025. And please like and subscribe, share, and comment on my channel at Mannequin Dressed by Jessie. I'm Jessie. See you later. Have a lovely day. Bye.